Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2022 Tahoe. Tahoe has been the best-selling sports utility vehicle, accounting annually for more than 25% of all full-size SUV registrations in the United States and is priced below $60,000. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, remote engine start, running boards, active grille shutters, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, strut, roll stability control, auxiliary transmission fluid cooler, braking assist. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.